AI can paint, it can compose music, it can write code, it can even write books. Every day, machines become more capable, and many people are asking the same question: will AI replace us? But I think we're asking the wrong question. The real question is, what does it mean to be human? As AI becomes more powerful, we've started judging everything by one standard: the result. Who created faster? Who produced more? Who is more efficient? But think about for a moment why we stand in front of a painting for a minute. Why do we cry during our live performance? Why do we treasure our handwritten letter? It's not because of the final product. It's because we recognize the human life behind it. Years of failure, thousands of hours of practice, love, loss, hope. Every masterpiece carries a lifetime within it. AI can generate result, but it doesn't live the journey. Some people say humans learn from others too. AI is doing the same thing, and they are right. We all learn by observing. We read books, we watch films, we're inspired by those who came before us. But there's a one thing humans add that machines cannot fully process: lived experience. Two people can witness the same rain. One remembers their first love, another remembers saying goodbye to a parent. The same moment, completely different meaning. That's where creativity begins, not with information, but with experience. Ironically, I believe philosophy, literature, and art will become even more important in the age of AI, because AI is becoming incredibly good at answering questions, but asking the right questions, that's still a human ability. Why are we here? What makes a meaningful life? What kind of future should we build together? There are no perfect answers, but that's exactly why humanity still matters. The real danger isn't that AI becomes smarter than us. The real danger is that we forget our own value. The moment we measure people only by productivity, by fans, efficiency, by profit, we reduce ourselves to machines, not, not because AI forced us to, but because we choose to. Technology was never meant to replace humanity, it was meant to serve it. AI should free us to become more creative, more compassionate, more human. What we do with that freedom will always be our choice. So perhaps the most valuable skill in the future won't be coding or prompting or mastering the latest AI model. It will be something much older: the ability to understand another human being, to create meaning, to feel, to care. AI may one day become smarter than us, but intelligence alone has never been what makes us human. The future won't be decided by the race between human and AI. It will be decided by how much of our humanity we choose to